Welcome back to our channel, guys. This could be the awesome best video ever I'm making, guys, so don't miss it. Everybody can get free airdrop and giveaway, guys, so don't miss it. Everybody must watch this and everybody can get this airdrop as well as the giveaway, guys, so don't miss it, guys. Just watch the video carefully and the giveaway, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. Today the coin name is Jaguar Diego Finance, guys. Okay, this coin gonna launch, okay, as soon as possible, guys. Okay, so the days countdown is still 1 day 12 hours is there. So there is announcement, there is not an announcement for the launching. As soon as possible this coin is going to launch, guys, so don't miss it. This coin have given $10 lakh worth of giveaway, $5 lakh worth of airdrop, as well as $5 lakh worth of giveaway, guys. This coin can have huge in the market, guys. Okay, so let's see about the short description about the Jaguar coin. So this Jaguar coin is all about auto compounding and auto staking, similar high AP projects. Okay, so this coin is giving 5,47,498%, okay, APY. So auto staking and auto compounding protocol, metaverse and NFTs, guys. Okay, so contract is coming soon. This coin is not a launch. As soon as possible this coin is launching. So 1 day 12 hours timing, still countdown is there for the next update. Okay, guys, this highest fixed APY in crypto, and 5,47,498% is they are giving. This is every 15 minutes, 96 times daily they are giving automatic staking and compounding in your wallet. Okay, so this coin expecting 225x project, guys. From the pre-sale, this coin the company is expecting 225x, guys. So don't miss it, guys. Everybody can get this airdrop, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, so everybody must can climb this. Okay, so Jaguar Finance main features. Okay, so about Jaguar Finance, auto compounding, all the things, details are given here, so don't miss it, guys. Check it out. If you are not joining pre-sale or whatever it is, that's not a problem, but you must can get the airdrop, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Everybody must can get the airdrop. Okay, so don't miss it. Everybody just see all the details here and come back, guys. Okay, so you just go to Twitter page. Okay, Twitter page. This is official Twitter page, guys. Here they given the $5 lakh worth of airdrop as well as $5 lakh worth of giveaway, guys. Okay, this is they completed the audit, so safe audit. Okay, that's the audit they are completed. So every details are given here about the project. I will make a detailed video. Okay, so here in this video we will see only about the airdrop and giveaway, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the this is a post about $5 lakh worth of Jaguar tokens for giveaway. Okay, this is the giveaway offers, guys. Okay, this is the giveaway offers. I'll tell you, guys. Okay, all the details one by one. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'll give the description. I will give the link in the description for the airdrop, guys. Okay, just click on the link. Okay, click on the bot link. Okay, so you will be open this one. Okay, you will be open this one. So click on start. Okay, if you click on started, it will come like you are invited by like this. It will come. So this page will get open, guys. Okay, so page, official website, Telegram, Twitter will come, and this one also will come, guys. Okay, so click on continue. Okay, click on continue, then this page will come. So join Telegram group, join Telegram channel, Twitter, and follow the Twitter page and like and retweet the pin post, guys. Okay, so this post, like and retweet, guys. Okay, don't miss it, and then come back. Okay, then come back. Okay, then click on submit details. Okay, then submit details, this will come, then click on done. Again this will come, click on done, then again this will come in, follow the Instagram page, click on continue. Okay, then it will tell them to submit web20 address, guys. Okay, so submit your Binance Smart Chain address, guys, receiver address, click. Okay, and click on, it will come main menu, then click on statics. Okay, so your referral link will come, guys. Okay, this is your referral link. In this here you will get referral link, guys. Okay, so I am posting the referral link in the description. Just click on that, and you can make as much as possible with your friends or anybody. You can make referrals, guys. Okay, and I'm sure you can make referrals and with the referrals you can earn, guys. Okay, so here top one referral get $10,000 worth of tokens. Top 2 to 5 will get sharing of 10,000 worth of tokens. Top 6 to 805 will get up $80,000 of worth of sharing Jaguar tokens, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. You also will get this one, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. You must join this airdrop and you can refer your friends or anybody in your channels. Okay, guys, so here the second one is, I'll show you here the second. This is the airdrop 5 lakh worth of Jaguar tokens airdrop. Okay, next we can see about the giveaway, guys. Okay, guys, this is the link I'm giving in the description. Just click on the link. Okay, click on the link and the page will get open. Here is a social media influencer, okay, for giveaway offers. Okay, so you can share about this Jaguar Duo Finance with the post of /Jaguar Duo/Jaguar Duo Finance. Okay, with that you have to post in your YouTube, Telegram, Instagram, Reddit, etc. Okay, visit our site. Okay, so in these all social media platform you can share. Okay, so top most views and like post are eligible for the giveaway. Okay, so 5 lakh dollar worth of Jaguar token. Top one refer post get $50,000 worth of Jaguar token. Top second and third poster will get 50,000 worth of Jaguar tokens sharing. Okay. Top fourth to 13th rank get $1 lakh worth of Jaguar tokens. Top 14 to 150 get $2 lakh worth of. Okay, and top 150 to 500 will get 1 lakh, not yes, 1 lakh worth of Jaguar tokens. Totally 500 members will get $5 lakh worth of Jaguar tokens, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. You can share their post, like making a video in YouTube or Telegram post or Instagram or Reddit or Twitter. You can make this and you can submit here. Okay, this is your email ID. Here you have to click on your email ID and your name and the link which you posted in YouTube or Telegram or whichever link you posted their video. The link you have to paste it here and the screenshot. Okay, like YouTube video or Telegram post, you have to take a screenshot and you have to add file and submit here, guys. Okay, this is a 5 lakh worth of giveaway, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. This can boom in the market. Okay, this coin is expecting 225x, guys. Okay, don't miss it. This coin can have huge bump in the market, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. Everybody must join in the airdrop and giveaway, guys, because it's very simple and easy. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. This coin can change everybody's life. Okay, so don't miss it. If you are not joining pre-sale or pink sale, also not a problem, but everybody must join this airdrop and giveaway, guys. Okay, must join in this. If anybody having any doubts, you can ping me at Telegram. Okay, so no problem. Just if you have any doubt, directly you can ping me in Telegram, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Must join in the airdrop and giveaway, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you.